an absolute pleasure to be hosted with Spark in the same booth during the Hospitality Technology Expo.
Super excited to be here with our partner Spark at the Hospitality Tech Expo. Why? Because these guys are at the forefront of cutting-edge technology for hospitality. And that's the partners we look to work with. For Viva.com, we consider ourselves to be at the cutting edge of payments. And so obviously we look to partner with organizations that are doing the same in their own fields, and Spark for us is one of those partners at the cutting edge of technology for the hospitality sector, not just with their EPoS solutions, but with their robots as well.
With Viva.com's payment solution, we give the ability to Spark to be able to accept payments in any device, Android device, iOS devices, and be able to transact and accept the payments on the go, on the table, on the hospitality industry, or even through their beautiful and amazing robots that they have.
We believe we're at the forefront of payments technology, so collaborating with a partner like Spark, where we can showcase joint solutions that are helping to move this industry and move this sector forward is really exciting for us.
Everything we do works seamlessly together. With our technology and their technology, we bring the future of payments forward to now, so people can access their technology in everything that they do within their hospitality environment.
And we're looking forward to continue the partnership with Spark and expand that partnership in the future.